Hello and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublet. This is a Quailridge Park Model. It's a very cool trailer. We're going to take a cruise on through it and see exactly what it's like. My wife had it all set up. It's ironstone with white corners, white shutters, or lineals rather. Its MSRP is $71,000, and it is just a beautiful unit. It's got gray plank flooring, aspen plank flooring. It's got some gray tint to the countertop. And the cabinets are a nice gray, and the wall board is a gray. It's a nice color combination. I hope this 4K video does it justice because it's a very beautiful trailer. Got a wet bar. This one has a giant bathroom also. You've got your 5-burner 30-inch stainless range. You have your convection microwave. There's plenty of cabinetry throughout the kitchen. Stainless steel faucet with the single lever pull-out sprayer, double basin sink. Heading on into the bathroom. This would be nice because I should be able to turn on the lights in here. Yay! Lights and the exhaust fan. Check the shower out. It's cool. It's got 2 stations, so 2 people could shower at once theoretically. It's got a rain head and a handheld. I'd have to get me a shower stool and put in there. Nice teak shower stool. Maybe I'll buy one as a gift for somebody who buys this. Housewarming present. I smell one. Okay, so there's a nice linen closet, pantry you could use it for. This would be the taller one. Has the coat closet, or you could put a shelving unit in it. Heading upstairs, there's 2 lofts, so it's his and hers. Jack and Jill. Jack on one side, Jill on the other. Okay, heading on into the master suite. You've got 8 drawers and 4 doors. The Quailridge wardrobe. There's lights in all 3 sections of the wardrobe, 1 in each closet and 1 by the makeup mirror. Comes with the Serta mattress. You also get the bedspread, small lamp, and a nightstand. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides. See how the drawers come all the way out. They're very nice and strong. Self-closing doors. Hinges on all. Still, one of the best things is either the bathroom or the wet bar or the double loft or the kitchen. I'd get me a griddle and make some pancakes for breakfast. Okay, now that I know what this is, it's a Quailridge 39 FLSK special loft unit.